Today I'm feeling very happy to launch this do-it-yourself Mysteries Academic Practical Science Kits, MAPS kits for 6, 7 and 8 standard students. Each kit has 10 experiments and which include physics, chemistry and biology. And these kits are very carefully crafted by comparing syllabuses of ICSE, CBSE, SSE and NCERT. These experiments are of course complementary to the academic education, and these experiments will improve the academic score of the students. These kits are designed also very thoughtfully that once kit is opened, then laboratory platform is created, and also the material required for one experiment are given in separate pouches. And not just that, we are providing a booklet of instructions and a video for guidance to the students, and along with that we are providing a questionnaire which student can make a self-assessment and witness the immediate impact of the what he or she has learned. Like before performing experiment, student has to answer all the questions, and after performing experiments, student can answer the questions, and he or she will know how much they have learned. And because a student is performing by his or her hand, they can really experiment, and then they can experience what they feel, and they can resonate with their academics, and concepts will be fixed in their minds forever. And once this happens, then every student can excel, and I wish every student all the best. Thank you.